Constant studying, assignments, exams, extracurricular activities, etc. can exhaust anyone. So, how can we stay motivated, inspired all the time, even when motivation itself is limited? Hello friends, I am Keshwan Teniga, your mentor, and I am going to give you some simple hacks to always stay inspired and motivated and lighten up your school life. So, are you excited and ready to soak in some inspiration? Let's go. Point number 1. Change the way you think. Barbie's new Ken Ryan Gosling lives by the quote which says, "I've learned it's important to not limit yourself. You can do whatever you really love to do, no matter what it is." Setting the right mood when you enter school with a positive mindset like this can change your entire day. Yes, I know sometimes waking up early in the morning seems no less than doomsday. But if you go to school thinking, today will be great, you'd be able to deal with everything more positively, even when something goes wrong. This way, you inspire yourself to work through life positively and inspire so many others. And also, waking up early in the morning and reading some positive quotes and affirmation can help you set the tone for the way you think. Point number 2. Focus only on important activities. It's of no use to focus on 10 things at a time because eventually you won't be able to complete all of them to your satisfaction, and it will only cause you to become less inspired to work. For example, if you know you have a major test tomorrow or an important assignment is due, then focus exclusively on that task for that evening and get it done properly. Hence, learning how to focus is an important skill that is worth learning. And to learn this important skill, watch our video on how to stay focused while doing anything, and you'll ace this tip for sure. Point number 3. Choose a role model with morals. Having a role model in your life is important, but having a good role model is more important, as they influence what you do and how you turn out eventually. Some good role models for students can be Michelle Obama, APJ Abdul Kalam, Ratan Tata, MS Dhoni, Malala Yousafzai, and many more. After selecting a good role model, start by identifying your bad habits or negative aspects of your personality. Then make a list of good characteristics that you want to achieve, and simply identify and mingle with people who exhibit the same qualities that you wish to achieve. Now there's no stopping. All you have to do is believe you can, and there will be nothing stopping you. We hope these 3 hacks would help you to get inspired to become the best version of yourself. Let us know in the comments who is your role model. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more study hacks. Thank you.